What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Tricky from Friday Night Funkin'. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the gum line. Starting right in the middle, let's start with a point. From here just going to curve this out toward the left and go out and then down towards the right. From here, curve up and out on both sides. And then again, we're just going to bend this out and then down towards the side. Let's go back to the left side. Curve up and out, curve out and then down. I'm just going to draw a short angle line going up toward the side, bend this out and then all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add one more point on the right side, going up and out, go out and then down. Let's go back and draw the bottom edge of the teeth, starting from this point, come down then in, go out and up towards that outside point. Let's add another tooth. Coming down and out, and then pulling that back up. Let's add one more. Coming down, and then up. Let's go back and work our way out towards the right. Coming down, bending that up. Let's add one smaller tooth. I'm going to add one more tooth in between these two teeth. Coming down and then bending that up. Let's go up and add the gum line. Starting back on the left, I'm just going to bend this up and then down. I'm just going to separate the top edge of each tooth. Now we're going to add one more tooth on the outside. Curving down and then up. Let's draw in the lower jaw. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the jaw coming in and then down. We'll round this out and then pull that up. Let's step back down, curve down, and then up towards the side. Now we're going to work the gum line going back over towards the left. From here, it's going to curve down and then up. We'll just repeat this all the way across. One more on the end. And we'll connect the top of each point with a curve, going up and then down. And then from the left side of the last tooth, curve the gums going out and then up. Let's add a few more teeth on the right side. Starting from the top, go up and then down. Go to the top of that tooth, go up, down, and then out. Do that one more time. Let's close the outside of the mouth, curving in and then down. Now I'm going to move out, curve down and then out, and pull that back in. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now with the mouth in place, we're going to move over towards the left side and draw in the hair. Let's start on the side. We're going to draw a curve that comes in and then out. Let's go back up to the top, step in, curve up, and then out. And it's going to work our way back up towards the top. Stepping back, curve in and out, another curve. I'm just going to start to bend that in. Stepping down, curve down and up. We'll round out the end, almost like drawing a circle, and then pull that back down on the outside. Let's go back down to the bottom, come down, and bend that up, create an overlap, stepping down, go around and in, step back. I'm just going to draw a series of overlapping curves going around the side of the hair, and we'll start to bring that back in. Let's add one more, going up and then down. Now with the overlapping hair in place, let's draw on the top of the head. We're going to start from the inside, curve the head going up, just going to round this out, pull that down and then in towards the outside of the tooth. Let's go back down to the bottom, curve the edge of the head going out and then up underneath the hair. Now I'm going to add some wrinkles inside the forehead. starting from this point, curve out, and then back in. And then we'll add in the wrinkles, starting from the center, curves up and out towards the left, go back to the center, curve up and out towards the right. I'm going to step up and do that again, going up and then out. Same thing on the right. I'm just going to add one curve along the top. Now I want to take this hair and flip it over on the right side in behind the head. So let's line up the inside, curve up and out, go back in. Now we're just going to bring that back in, aiming towards this curve. And one more, just going all the way around, and then back down on the outside. Now we want to work our way around the outside and then back in towards the side of the head. So let's step up, again just creating a series of overlapping curves. A little bit bigger on the outside. Just add a few more along the bottom. And just pull that back in towards the side of the head. Once we finish drawing in the head, let's draw a half circle underneath the head for the collar. We're going to start underneath the hair on the left side. Just go all the way around towards the bottom. And I'll pull that back up underneath the lip on the right side. Let's add a small circle along the bottom of the collar, going all the way around, and back in. We'll draw another circle tucked in along the side, going around and in. Let's add those stripes inside the collar, starting underneath the lip, draw a straight line coming down towards that circle, go out towards the left. I'm just going to bend this out, and then down, go out, and do that again. Let's go over towards the right, going out and then down. Do that one more time. Now we're going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the body. Starting right in the middle, let's start with a point. We're going to curve this up and out towards the left. Go back to the center point, curve up and out towards the right. Let's add a fold. On the left side, go up and bend that in and then down. And do the same thing on the right side. From the top of the fold on the left, curve the body going up and in underneath the collar. Let's go to the top right, go up and in. Let's go back down and draw on the feet. We're going to connect this outside point to the center with a half oval. Start up here, we're going to go out, round out the foot, and then pull that up in the middle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, curve down, round out the foot, pull that up and in. Now that we complete the body, let's move over towards the left side and draw on the fist. We start up here, draw a curve, coming in and then out. Now step back up and draw the first finger, coming around and then out towards the knuckle. And we'll curve the outside of the finger, going out and then in. Let's layer two more fingers. Starting from that bottom point, go out and then in, step down, curve out, just pull this up toward the top of the hand. And we wrap the hand back around towards the side of the finger, going in and then out, come down toward the bottom of the thumb, and then up, go out and then up underneath that bottom finger. Let's add a fold along the inside, curving in and then up, and then we'll add a knuckle along the top of the finger, starting up here, curve up and then in. Now we move over towards the right side and draw a circle for the microphone, starting at the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and pull that back up toward the top. And then we'll add those rings around the mic, starting from the top left, start with a circle, go up to the top, draw another larger circle, and then we'll trace this a couple more times along the outside. Let's go back up to the top left, draw a straight angle line coming down, go to the top right, curve in toward the center circle, and then back down. And we'll split each of these four areas in half, coming down toward the bottom, and going across. Let's layer the thumb underneath the mic. Starting from the bottom, we're going to step in, curve the thumb going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb, pull that back up on the inside, round this out, and then go back out in behind. Let's stack 3 fingers around the outside. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve out and then up, bend that back up and in, step down, curve out and up, pull that back in. Now I'm going to draw the last finger, stepping in underneath the thumb, curve down, and then up. And that's pretty much it. There's Tricky from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.